Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link one post to another. I'm going to be using the classic editor to do this as well as the block editor so that you see how to do it step by step. So let's get started. Alright, here's one of my website here. So I want to link one post to another here. So let's go to all the pages here. Let's see all the, let's so let's say I want to edit this post here. I want to link it to another article right down here. So let's edit it. So let's say I want to link this article here to another article. So I'll highlight this words here, then go click here and type the title of the other article that I want to link it with. So let's say and these are suggestions. So I want to pick this here. This is the article right there. So when you finish, you click this arrow here. That is done. It is done. So just update your post here. And let's go and view this post here and see if it is done. Let's view the post here. So now if someone click on this link now, we'll take them to the other post. So as you can see, I click on that post, then it take me to the other post on my website. So that's how you do it with the classic editor. So let me quickly show you how to link your post to another using the block editor. So let's go to the dashboard again. So let's edit the same post with the block editor. Let's edit it with block editor here. I want to link this word here to another here. So you want to click this icon here. Then write the title here, type the title here. So let's say I want to use this. I want to link to this post here. So click here. Then it is done. And when you finish, click update here. So that's how you link one of your posts to another on your website using the block editor as well as the classic editor. So guys, drop me your comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.